Alright, short and sweet, let's change this belt.
Let's make these two belts into one belt.
Good morning, I'm Pete.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt.
Despite what we said in the last video, we have taken the scoop out again, which probably shouldn't be doing.
Yeah.
But our belt has arrived and we're going to attempt to change it today, so we've got to pick up a few tools in order to make that possible.
Belt's here, but not really the tools we need for the job. So we're going to go and grab some tools now, and then we're going to have a go at changing this belt.
Some interesting noises coming out of the scoop actually, as we've noticed on the way, which we haven't heard before.
Rusted brakes is the main noise at the moment, but there's a couple of knocks as well.
There's a few knocks.
Not engine knocks, just something's moving around.
We did just hear like a gas release as well, which is always good. So it's so
it wasn't a dump valve.
No, it wasn't a dump valve.
So yeah, we're going to today we're just going to pick up a socket set, just making sure that we've got all the tools that we need to try and change this belt. So potentially with our track record or no track record, this could be the last time you see this coupe.
Running anyway. Otherwise, it's a very nice garden ornament. So
yeah.
What is going on with the air ride?
Making some adjustments as we drive.
It's like trying to steer a ship. It's like,
Jesus. What the hell is that? WD-40. Okay, so just got back from Halfords. Going to start unboxing what we've got.
potentially with the wrong belt as well.
Yeah.
I just realised.
Like we said in an earlier video, we tend to make a few mistakes along the way, so this could be the first mistake.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully that's going to be what we need to do the job. So we're going to strip off now, make sure that the belt that we've got is actually the right belt.
Well, yeah, it looks very tight.
Different.
Yeah, it looks a lot shorter than we thought.
I was told by Euro Car Parts that this is the right one, but doesn't look it to me. But
we'll give it a go.
So let's get into this then.
Glove up.
Might be slightly too late, but
properly exposed there.
Okay, so we're getting down now on the tensioner bolt. Should be near enough ready to come off.
There's been much loosening.
Yeah, we've got a loose alternator,
swinging
so
loose.
That should.
And there's our two belts finally coming.
Almost there. Are we off?
Give it a wiggle. Here we go.
Yeah, we're off.
One belt remains.
One belt's off. Second belt is now off. Okay, so let's now see.
Hey, that's going
looking
on.
Good. We're looking good.
Phew.
That did not look the same before.
No, it didn't. Do you want to put on the mining hat?
Oh, yeah. It's like pulling my whole forehead back there. Facelift.
That seems to work. Right. Fresh one belt.
Edit that. Going the wrong way.
It's going in, you know it's going in. So we're using the really technical method of looking at where the dirt is on the screw from previously and then screwing it back to that exact point. So
Popeye arm after this. Right, so we're happy with that then.
yeah.
That's tight. That's tight.
Do you want to try starting it or before we put the intake and everything back on?
Yeah.
If you hear a scream, it's because the fan belt's come off and nailed me in the face. Seems fine, mate. No whir or anything, no squirreling.
No squeaking. Okay, so that seemed to be a success, but we'll soon find out when we're driving around. At least we know that we can drive the thing now without it breaking.
Yeah, exactly. Right, remaining bits back on, I suppose.
Yep. Okay, so that's the belt done.
Easier than we thought it was going to be.
Easier than we thought. So the two belts are now one, as they should be. So that's good to get out of the way. The other thing we wanted to do was obviously the battery.
Yeah,
So-
that's probably going to be the next job, really, isn't it?
Yeah, next job, battery. Get the speakers going as well.
Yeah, really reassuring to know that was easier than we thought, because that took literally, what, 45 minutes or so?
Something
And
like
a
that.
lot of that time we're trying to work out how to bend the over the actual things.
So we were dreading it, but it actually went all right. So also we're talking about maybe we're going to try and get the engine bay nice and gleaming. So we're going to swap some of the bolts for the nice coloured bolts.
Swap the bolts, just give it an all over clean as well, because
Yeah.
there's lots of crap in there that's probably not been cleaned for a long time.
Yeah.
So just going to muck off the hell out of
muck off
it.
in there.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
works well for us. Works well on the go-karts, doesn't it?
The,
So-
the go-kart looked brand new by the time we finished with it.
yeah. So yeah, it went all right, didn't it?
Yeah,
Pretty happy with that.
very happy with that.
Yeah. So thanks very much for watching again.
And we'll see you next week.
See you on the next one.
Cheers.
How the hell did you do this? Surely that wasn't after.
We're cutting this, so it's fine. It's an excellent start. Yeah, I mean, this one's not going anywhere.
Can't be that top.
Press the thing. I literally realised at the same time as you.
Like, press the thingy.
Yeah.